So yeah guys, this is day 3 and now we're going for cruise in river Ganga. Like that day we went for the boating. This is the same thing and the same river. It is just that now we're going in the morning to get a better view. And yeah, guys, we reached. That is the cruise. And see these boats. गाइस हम जा रहे हैं अब क्रूज़ में। ये हमारा बोट है पीछे, आप देखिए वहाँ पर। दिस इज़ द क्रूज़ एंड चलो अंदर चलते हैं।
To be more vigilant during the tour. Bio toilets are available on both the decks for your safety. काशी स्वयं भगवान विश्वेश्वर शिव जी की अपनी नगरी। काशीवासी अपने प्राचीन महाजनपद को एक नगरी ही नहीं बल्कि दिव्यता युक्त अस्तित्व मानते हैं। उनकी यह मान्यता कदाचित मात्र एक मिथक नहीं है, शायद गलत नहीं है। Tulsidas ji, the author of Ramcharitmanas. It is the most revered book of the Sanatan Hindu Dharma. Tulsidas ji began with opposition against Sanskrit, but the verses which were wrote during the day vanished at night. This continued for a few days, after which Mahadev himself appeared in front of Tulsidas and told him
साक्षात महादेव और देवी पार्वती ने दर्शन दिया और मानस की रचना सरल भाषा में करने की प्रेरणा दी। इसके बाद तुलसीदास जी ने अवधी भाषा में रामचरितमानस की रचना की, जिससे वे जन सामान्य के बीच अत्यधिक लोकप्रिय हुए। घाट पर स्थित तुलसीदास जी द्वारा संचन स्वामी तुलसीदास जी ने कृष्ण लीला का आयोजन भी यहाँ आरंभ किया था, जो लगभग 500 वर्षों से निरंतर होती आ रही है। कार्तिक मास में शुरू होने वाली इस 22 दिनों की लीला का सबसे प्रमुख भाग दीपावली के 4 दिन बाद होने वाली नाग नदिया है, जिसमें भगवान श्री कृष्ण द्वारा बाल्यकाल के सम्मान को इसे सूर्य कोटि के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। कहा जाता है कि देवासुर संग्राम के समय भगवान सूर्य के रथ का हथियार बन सूचना ने मारा।
Guys, this is the Munshi Ghat.
and most ancient ghat of Kashi. According to my
You can come here, they'll show you in this cruise, they'll show you all the ghats, whichever is there in this river. My mom is taking.
According to the Purans, to bring Lord Shiv from his exile back to his beloved city of
This is
Kashi,
called Alaknanda cruise,
Niti
and even Modi ji came here
10
for the cruise.
consecutive
And
As a result, Lord Shiv has
guys, if you can see
historical records.
that bridge, down is the train which is going, and up the cars, buses and all the vehicles are going. So this is the bridge. You can see how unique it is. कि नीचे the train is going and ऊपर the cars and everything is going. It is so pretty here and the wind is so nice. We're loving it here. At least I am enjoying it.
अफीम पुल के नाम से जाना जाता है। उस समय पूरे एशिया में यह अपनी तरह का पहला पुल।
So yeah guys, we are done with the cruise and we are going back to our spot to go back to the hotel because we are leaving today back to Durgapur. So now we'll just go have our lunch and back to. So guys, we are done. We are going back. Just had food as well, breakfast, really hungry and I look nice in this. I told you I got a t-shirt, so this was the t-shirt which I got yesterday, and obviously you saw my shoes, new shoes. And yeah guys, really tired. Just gonna sleep for some time, really sleepy, so bye bye. So yeah guys, we have a train at night, so we didn't have anything to do, so we came to Taj to have some snacks, and I'm just gonna give you a tour of Taj as we asked them to. So this is how it looks. This is Taj Ganges. We have come here in बहुत अच्छा वेदर हो रहा है. सुबह भी बारिश थी.
हाँ, सुबह बारिश हल्की से हुई है. कल रात को ज़्यादा हुई थी.
So guys, this is the pool area.
अभी मैम एक्चुअली स्कूल इज क्लोज.
This is the pool area. It's closed right now because of COVID. That's the tennis.
नहीं मैम.
This is the tennis area.
Palace.
This property is also in Taj. It was the royal family's property, the highnesses and king and queen. They changed it into like a palace for all the luxury rooms and suites and everything. So we're going towards that. Guys, this is the royal palace. They fully changed it, I think so. Fully. This is the cart. I'll show you. Guys, there's a horse also. It's gonna rain anytime, so we are going inside. It's so pretty, man. It's so pretty. I really wanted to stay here because it was fully booked, so we couldn't. So let's go. Just came to Taj for having snacks right now, because as you all know, we are going back tomorrow. So today we have a train at 9 o'clock. Still we don't have anything to do and we have checked out. So just came to Taj Ganges, and yeah, Varanasi station going back to Durgapur. So yeah guys, we're living in a coupe. This is a coupe and it's 2 beds up and down, and yeah. So yeah guys, everyone is sleeping, so see you tomorrow. Good night. चलो came home guys. Oh god, home is the best place. I'm feeling so happy to come back home. So yeah guys, thank you guys for watching this video. Please like the video, subscribe to my channel, click the notification bell, so whenever I upload a new video you guys get notified. And I love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.